Hello, in front of me I have HTC U Ultra, and I'm gonna show you how to set up and turn on the portable hotspot on this device. First, let's open the settings, and to do it, let's just tap on this icon right here. This will open the app menu, and here let's tap on the settings icon. Once in settings, let's scroll down and select more, and then select tethering and portable hotspot. Here let's tap on portable Wi-Fi hotspot and then OK, and this will bring us to hotspot settings. We can tap on hotspot name to change the name, we can also scroll down and tap on password to change the password. Below we can also tap on show password right here to make the password visible. Oh my bad. Like that. And we can also tap this slider right here on the top to turn it on and off. Once we're done, tap here to go back. And again, we can turn it on and off right here by tapping the slider next to it. And we can also turn it on and off another way. To do that, let's just go back to home screen. Swipe down twice from the top of the screen, like that, to open the quick panel. And here we have a hotspot icon. And to turn it on, we just tap on it. And to turn it off, we just tap on it again. We can also touch and hold on this icon to go straight to hotspot settings. You can tap right here on the more options icon in the top right corner, and here you can tap on advanced to get some more settings for your hotspot. And once you're done, just go back. And that should be all. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.